Jay-Z and his lawyer are trying to get the lawsuit thrown out of court where he's being accused of assaulting a 13-year-old little girl. The woman, who is now 38 years old, says that in the year 2000, she was 13. She claims that she snuck out of her family home, got a friend to drive her to the MTV Video Music Awards, and was trying to get inside. She, of course, had no ticket, so that wasn't working, so she started talking to limo drivers about going to an after party. She ended up speaking to one of Diddy's limo drivers who said that she looked like Diddy's type, and she was invited back, apparently, to Diddy's after party. When she got to the after party, someone gave her a drink and she started to feel extremely dizzy and lightheaded. She found somewhere to lay down, and she says soon after, Diddy came in with two other celebrities. Now, she had first not named those two celebrities, but she has now redacted that lawsuit to name Jay-Z as the other male celebrity that came into the room. She has still not named who the female was. She claims Jay-Z pushed her down on the bed and had his way with her while Diddy recorded it and the woman stood by. Then she claims that they switched places and Diddy did the same thing. Eventually, she said she was able to escape and she ran next door to a gas station where she says that she used the phone to call her father to come pick her up. During a recent interview, the woman admits that there are some holes in her memory, but says that that does not mean that this situation did not take place. One of the things she may have gotten incorrect was that night she said she spoke to Good Charlotte singer Benji Madden, but it now appears that the night of this event, he was nowhere around. He was actually on tour. Diddy and Jay-Z also had their photograph taken at an after party at a nightclub that evening, so they're saying there's no way that this could have taken place, but their whereabouts for the whole evening was not recorded. The woman's father apparently also has no recollection of the evening. He does not remember picking her up at the gas station afterwards, but she says when she called her father to come pick her up, she didn't tell him what had happened. She said she just told him that she messed up, he came to pick her up, and drove home in silence. Jay-Z's given a statement to People magazine saying, today's investigative report proves this attorney, Busby, filed a false complaint against me in the pursuit of money and fame. This incident didn't happen, and yet he filed it in court and doubled down in the press. True justice is coming. We fight from victory, not for victory. This was over before it began. This lawyer doesn't realize it yet, but soon. Jay-Z's lawyer also gave a statement to People magazine saying, it is stunning that a lawyer not only filed such a serious complaint without proper vetting, but would make things worse by further peddling this false story in the press. We are asking the court to dismiss this frivolous case today and will take up the matter of additional discipline for Mr. Busby and all the lawyers that filed the complaint. And Diddy's lawyer has spoken to TMZ about this, saying, yesterday, a lawyer admitted that over 50 people falsely claimed to be victims. Today, for the second time this week, a Busby plaintiff has been exposed. This is the beginning of the end of the money grab. The girl's lawyer, Tony Busby, did respond as well, saying, our client remains fiercely adamant that what she has stated is true to the best of her memory. We will continue to vet her claims and collect corroborating data to the extent it exists. We always do our best to vet each claim made, just as we did in this case. This has been extremely distressing for her, to the point where she has experienced seizures and has had to seek medical treatment due to this stress. So now Jay-Z's lawyer says he is filing a motion to dismiss the case as soon as possible.